Hello there everyone, hello there members, welcome back to the YouTube channel, back again with another video. So our pair for today's live forex market analysis is the CADJPY, the Canadian dollar versus the Japanese yen. So without any further waste of time, let's get on with the analysis. So as usual, I do start from a 4-hour time frame. I switch to a line graph to identify my key levels and the overall direction of the market. Right. So I have my highest high there at the top and my lowest low, and my previous key levels that I will cater for right now. So now that I have my 4 key levels, switching back to candlesticks to identify the overall structure of the market, the overall direction of the market, I'm seeing some sort of a bearish trend, a bearish momentum, a sell, an overall sell. So let's see how we can cater for that. So this is the counter trend line that I have. So now that I have my overall direction of the market, which is a sell, as you can see, a breakout and a retest, should we expect sells? Should I then move to the hourly time frame, which I use to identify trends in trends, and as well as my support and resistance zones. So I have my support zone right there and my secondary support zone there too. So this is the hourly, this is an hourly time frame counter trend, right? And it has broken out the hourly time frame counter trend. So basically what I wanted to see was, since this is my counter trend, I have my first touch, second touch, and I was expecting a third touch before we actually break out, retest the zone, and then push to the downside, right? But as I always say, that cater for not only sells or buys, but both, cater for both buy and sell setups. So what I had in mind was that if the market does break out of the trend line, and not just the trend line but also the zone, retest the zone, then for me that would be a signal for me to now cater for buys. So as you can see, this is exactly what it happened. So if I move to the 30-minute time frame, which I use to identify reversal and or continuation chart patterns, but here as you can see, there's none that we can see, but I have this trend that I want to add, right? So now why am I adding this trend, right? So basically to identify an entry, and I know that this is not even a 15-minute time frame trend, it's probably a 5-minute, okay, well it's a 15-minute time frame trend, and well, based on my strategy, the 15 minutes is the lowest time frame for me, and it's for entries only. So I only cater for trend lines if it's necessary, or if it's something like this, whereby this is a valid trend. This is a valid trend, so that is why I do cater for it. So basically for entries, should I then either enter right now or wait for the market to give me a touch on my trend line by way of a reversal chart pattern, which is a double bottom and a further push to the upside, right? So let's move to the 15 minutes to see properly. So this is what I would expect: a formation of a double bottom right there. Yes, something like this, and a breakout and a retest. This retest here is where I would then have my entries, and we at the 15 minutes, right? So 15 minutes is for entries only. So what I would do is to have a buy stop right there for this entry, for the setup, and my stop loss would be probably wow probably there. Okay, let me just do an example. Okay, probably there at a 105.640. So then my take profit would be let's see if the key level allows. No, it does not. So my take profit would be at the top right there, right at the top, since we had a breakout and a retest of our hourly time frame trend. But one thing that I like to do is that if my take profit is at the top right there, I also want to cater for key levels where I want to lock my profits. So if the market reaches this key level right there, should I then lock my profits? Possibly at this key level here. And if it reaches that blue key level, should I lock my profits at the black key level, right? And then also this key level here. So if the market reaches this blue key level, should I lock my profits at this blue key level? And once the market is around this key level, then that's where that's where I have to be patient to see whether is it gonna complete my setup or is it gonna just drop and stop me out. So that's how I would cater for an entry or a position or an opportunity to trade on this CADJPY pair. So yeah, that's just about it. And be sure to check out my other videos of my CADJPY analysis or other pairs. I will leave something on the screen so that you can check my other videos out. If you enjoyed, hit that like button. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them on the comments below. And if you looking forward to more of this type of content, subscribe. And without any further waste of time, thank you for investing your time into this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.